Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Kritika and I'm a certified cosmetologist. So today we are gonna review these cute little palettes from Nika K, which are super affordable and individually they cost for $5.99. But I got this as a combo from Hawk Makeup. So I got these three palettes and this kajal from Hawk Makeup for just rupees 1099. Isn't that just great? So for today I'll be using one of these palette and I will be testing it out. I guess I will be using this birthday cake palette because it has more of bright and colorful colors. So we will see if this palette gives us a good color payoff or not. So I will be reviewing and swatching each palette in the end of the video. So if you just want to see the review and the swatches, then you can refer to this timestamp. But if you are interested in watching what look I will create using this palette, then please continue watching. So first I will be prepping my eyes using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I usually use this only for my eye makeup, so I'll be using this only so that we can understand the color payoff that this palette is giving us. So first I'll be taking this red kind of shade on my tapered brush and I will put this on my crease. Okay, so I took this shade one time only and the pigmentation is quite good, you can see that. Now I'll be blending this shade with this peachy color. So I'm really intrigued that it has a yellow in it. Usually it's really difficult to get a perfect yellow, bright yellow. So we're gonna see how this yellow works. So I'll be blending all of this with this yellow shade with a blending brush. So I don't see this yellow very bright. I had to layer it up a couple of times so that we could see the yellow and so that I could blend that peach shade with the yellow. So I had to build the color up, but it's quite working well. So as of now the mattes are working quite well. I'm pretty impressed with the color payoff and the blendability is quite good. So now I'll be cutting my crease and we'll be applying the shimmer shades. So now I'll be taking this bluish light blue shade on a flat brush and I will apply it on my inner lid. Brush, it's not quite popping out, so I will try to apply this with my finger. Now I can see some color. Now I will be taking this shade and I will put it on my mid lid. I am taking the same flat brush for it. So the color payoff with the brush is not that good, but it's applying well with the finger. flat but a little fluffy brush, and I will put it in the outer corners. Then I will blend it inwards with this peachy shade again. And again I will be taking this yellow shade on my blending brush and I will blend the outer corners. Now I'll be putting this white kajal in my waterline. This is from Revolution Pro. It's their Supreme Pigment White Gel Eyeliner. For lower lash line, I am taking again that red shade on my shader brush and I will apply it on my lower lash. And then I will be blending this again with that peachy shade. And then I will be blending again with that yellow shade. I have to build that yellow a couple of times. So I took the yellow shade 4 times so that I could see some color. So my eyes are basically done and I'll just quickly put on my lashes and highlights and lipstick and then I'll be back. So that's the final look. I'm really liking how it turned out. It's looking really good. So now let's quickly jump to the review and the swatches. So first let's talk about the packaging. So I really like the packaging because it's very small and you can carry it very easily. It's very feasible to carry. And each palette has 9 shades in it and the color placement is quite good. I mean the color coordination is really good. So if you're looking for just a warm palette, then this is your palette. If you're looking something rosy, then this is your palette, and if you're looking for something bright like this, then this is your palette. So for now I have only used this palette. So let's talk about the mattes. I really like the mattes except for this yellow shade. It was quite difficult to work with. I had to build it up a couple of times and the shimmers didn't work quite well with the brushes, but with the fingers it worked really well. But I'll be using this palette more often on my Instagram, and also I'm running a series on my Instagram which is called Affordable Eyeshadow Palettes. So you are gonna see a lot of tutorials using this palette, so do follow me on Instagram if you wanna see tutorials using these palettes. So let's quickly swatch all of these palettes on my hand and we will see each and every shade, how it works and how it looks on the skin. So these are the swatches from the birthday cake palette and I really liked that red shade. It is quite pigmented. The mattes are really good, but you have to put the shimmers with your fingers if you want them to work well. For $5.99 this palette is really good, but if you're looking for a bright palette then you can totally go for it. Next we have this Poison Apple palette and I'm quite impressed with the shades. The shimmers are hands down very nice, but I'm not too sure about the mattes. It has all kinds of mauve shimmery shades and it has a gold too, which complements the mauves very well. So I really like this palette. And at the last we have this Autumn Spice palette. It has beautiful warm shades, but while swatching these shades I found some shades quite powdery, but I really like the shimmers. Like that gold one is really beautiful, so I will be testing this out as well. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you found it really helpful and now I hope you can make an informed decision. I personally like the Poison Apple palette the best. I found the shimmers beautiful. So yeah, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.